24th Imphal Book Fair begins tomorrow. State Central Library and other departments to buy books worth 15 lakh rupees for state book lovers. Public meeting over Manipuri cinema crisis held. Film Forum Manipur appeals to the unlawful outfits to withdraw monetary demand by 20th of December. And Neroka FC defeats Klasa Kaino 4-0 to enter into the quarterfinals of 59th Sir Churachan Singh KCSI CBE Memorial Football Tournament. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Tenshubam Sangeeta with the top stories and latest news at this hour. The 24th Imphal Book Fair is beginning tomorrow at Thaoground, Thamaiban. For the book lovers of the State Central Library and other departments are going to buy books worth 15 lakh rupees. The book fair, which will continue till the 24th of December, is organized by State Central Library Manipur and Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Foundation, Kolkata. More than 50 stalls from the state and from other states will attract book lovers during the 10-day book fair. Books for children, higher studies and for adults will be available. Discount ranging from 10% to 15% will be given on selected books. Parking will be free for those who visit the book fair.
Our distributor ni aduna akoina 15% pegadi akoidadi mangadore. Ahai na adumada moina langda bakha yaure adum hojiki manipur da lai lebi cha lai chang musi adum ai wakandadi henkalen khali adu khara hena henkaning bai wani hoji 2015 ni adu 16 gi lai phoba kamte jang phonge asi mayam ji lai biu khoi lai bi thambiu na hai adu ma hai ba mayam ji khoi laina no khone jage adu chhatri singna khoida suggestion oi hai lai sing lai biu kholu haina khoida suggestion prepare pa list prepare pa mayam da apin dawjeri.
Film Forum Manipur today organized a public meeting on the present crisis of Manipuri cinema at Kaisampad Lairembi Community Hall, strongly condemning the monetary demand made by some unlawful outfits to Film Forum Manipur and guilds and associations affiliated to it. The meeting demanded to all concerned to publish in print and electronic media or inform any official of the forum withdrawing the monetary demand by the 20th of December. The meeting also resolved to continue all film-related activities from 21st of December if organizations concerned fail to do so. Executive members of Film Forum Manipur, representatives of 14 associations affiliated to Film Forum Manipur and well-wishers of Manipuri cinema attended the meeting. Speakers at the meeting spoke on the grievances facing the film fraternity and also expressed that the monetary demand will only degrade the film industry.
Matong sa tawag ko ako basin nung sisana na ama ID physically morally when sa tawag na Manipur film sa ko na ba siya support ko
taseng na film si tawraga Manipur film da mapan gi state singa sangdam na roga makoy da phangiba makoy da earn toriba adugumba akoi gi producer amana natraga actor amana phangiba film do adugi status ti akoi Manipur da lariba Manipur film gi damukta chen chongjari bai khoi myam na madugi status du yodri na khanje
pikhaba industry macha sidai da sujari ba nomjari ba camera kapaga chenda lambi khaldang oiraga hingjari ba cinema kapi ba group asidai da akoi yamna sarba saitheng ama mayok najare
akoi masal amata ne khalaga samaj asigi seba tongmina bane khalaga masigi khongjang asi amthuna handok haninge haijaning
mina yeng matam da YouTube ke loin thagal am chaun uba haitare yam pikpa industry ne ba dimana ma paisa gi lakpa haibasi kai haidunu khangdaba ma akoi de fawe.
Southeast Asian Cultural Organization SICO in a press release appealed to the government to establish a culture university which is totally a pre-Hindu culture university. Bharatiya Janata Party upbeat over the win in the recently held by-poll election to determine the upcoming January 11th municipality and Nagar Panchayat election as crucial. Speaking to media at the BJP office at Nitapak Juthik, BJP Manipur Pradesh General Secretary M. Ashwini Kumar said Deputy Chief Minister Gakhangam's allegation that BJP is anti-secular party is a sign of desperation following the by-poll defeat. He said the Congress party must remember that under Congress government, maximum communal clashes have occurred in the country. Ashwini Kumar also said the Gaikhangam should not speak irresponsibly in front of media and the public. He said the only religion followed by BJP is the Constitution of India. M. Ashwini Kumar also stated that the party has been working for the welfare of the citizens, irrespective of caste, religion and social status. Speaking on the upcoming January 11th municipality and Nagar Panchayat election, he said the final list of candidates is ready and a 19-member committee has been formed to monitor the election. He said, keeping in view the 2017 general election, the BJP is all set to fight the election under the slogan, Support BJP, Save Manipur.
Maithiba Nankraba, Dumba, Prazana, Parata Mikraba Party, Congress Party Deputy Chief Minister Media, Panganangi Basa, Tashing Haragadi, Congress Party, Gi Lit Torba, Congress President of Kangam, Ikai Bakangdaba, Adu Panganangba, Adu Mishak Amani, Daiti Yaut of Liderman have the Haman Batolaroi. By election, and this is my chief disparate or Kanamakse, Tashin Hagan, Eknoman, Oitabami, and Ngango, Panganangi, BJP in the Taz of religion, the Holy Constitution. Adana Bharati Constitution se gi makha BJP na koi leba singak pada koi thajai adana constitution gi wang bada BJP na kaidong da lepoi.
Catch Them Litter campaign, a joint initiative of Manipur Urban Development Agency MUDA and Impact TV, begins tomorrow. Start clicking pictures of people throwing waste and defacing public properties in municipal areas and take part in the campaign come competition. Send in your pictures to WhatsApp number 7085-680154 from 15th of December till the 15th of January and win a laptop worth 30,000 rupees, an iPad worth 20,000 rupees, a smartphone worth 10,000 and 10 consolation prizes of 1,000 rupees each. A one-day seminar on Umang Lai Harau Bada Tangkhul Nurabigi Thorum was held today, organized by Umang Lai Kanba Apan Balup at Lamyan Basanglin Palace Compound. Priests, representatives of civil society organizations and learned elders attended the seminar. Speakers at the function expressed apprehension that many people in the state are observing rituals borrowed from other culture, which can dilute the original traditions and culture of the state.
Lai Harawagi Lairo in Misida, Tankul Savanura Visaba Singsina, a Kogi Lai Param de Yaudava, Torunke Hapsalakpa, Aduma Torum Dubu, a Quena Miam, the some focus idea, some peak regadi, Lairabasi. Mamma da angang singna akhoi lai harawsi chanaroi da wafam kya leibanina madu akhoi leitana bagi damta ngasi asigum befam asi sinjabani.
A candidate of the recently held written examination to recruit 116 staff nurses of RIMS allegedly blamed the authority of leaking question papers. Thiam Surita Devi, who appeared in the examination held on the 12th of this month, speaking to media person, said 120 exact questions from the suggestion paper were among the 150 questions asked in the examination. She also asked RIMS authority to reconduct the examination. However, mention may be made that to avoid any malpractice in the examination, 2 sets of questions were used, from which the set of questions for a particular center was chosen through a lottery. The seal of the set of questions was broken in front of media persons and then sent to exam centers through monitoring cell officers.
48 hours exam result out matung toro matung da ngasi smai to dana mi khar de ko smai ne chi ma smai to dana phangi xeroscope is out of 250 questions the 100% the question ada da yarom me mayang gi mot ki matung ina pekha se ong tang di ri ong tang di to hani kagino si aseng moina pangthokani haige benina pekha se aseng modu thira matung da moina interview to ge so any to ge ta so aseng modu da khoi khangba pami.
The dead body, which was recovered on the 12th of December at Kakching Ithel Marudam near Sengmai River in Mapau village under Tegnopal Police Station, Chandel district, has been identified today as Sagolsem Neltom, also known as War, age 21, son of Sagolsem Chaubo of Langathel Mayalekai, Thobal district. Sources say S. Neltom left his home on 11th of December to meet Gopen of Hairok, posted at Army TA of 27 Assam Rifles, Kakching, in connection with a monetary issue. Victim's nephew Ratan last saw him debarking a Tata Magic at Khongjom Bazaar.
Maji ayuk pung 8 makhai adwaida kanagumba na phone toraga thokibani tang 13 na phone toriji ima da hangbakanda ima na hai dago penji manakta chaluge aigi paisa khara leigibani adu ma pige hai na ma mantor ko chatkibani adu nimitu dagi ngasi bo halaktawni.
Press show of the Sumang Lila City Police, sponsored by Manipuri Students Federation MSF, was shown at United Friends and Library in Lamboi Kongnangkong ground. The Sumang Lila, which is part of the MSF's education campaign, is first project of the Time Star Artists Union this year. The Sumang Lila is directed by Ranjit Ningthauja and it will be shown at 20 locations in the state. Now news from the world of sports. Neroka FC defeated Klasa Kaino by 4-0 in the 59th Sir Churachan Singh KCSI CBE Memorial Football Tournament today. America Christian opened the account in the 22nd minute of the last pre-quarter-final match played at Mapal Kangjibung, and Jeremiah Ikelwaki added another goal in the 30th minute before the half-time. Ronald scored 2 more goals in the 64th and the 82nd minute of the match and sealed the win. Quarter-final matches of the tournament will begin from tomorrow. Champion of the 10th Manipur State League, AIM Khabam Lamkai, will take on Assam Regimental Centre Shillong in the first quarter-final match tomorrow at 1:30 p.m. at the same venue. And in cricket, Jam Khayampally defeated Cyclone Thammaban by 4 wickets in a league match of the 13th Manipur Veteran Cricket Tournament played today at Langthabal Public Ground. Batting first, Cyclone Thammaban were all out in 25.2 overs and managed to score 121 runs. In reply, Jam Khayampally reached the target of 122 in 27.5 overs, losing 6 wickets. All-rounder of Jam Khayampally, Kesh Ratan, was conferred the late Sapam Mani Singh Memorial Man of the Match award. The tournament is organized by Manipur Veteran Cricket Association. Imphal West Veteran Cricket Club will clash with Krau Khamnam Kaithel tomorrow. Arambai Football Manipur is organizing football development mission at YWC Malong Football Ground for boys under the age group of 10 to 15 years. AFC B license and AFC goalkeeping level number 1 and Puthiba, AFC C license MB Molchandra, AFC C license and FIFA Youth MA coach L Devchandra and AFC C license M Deven will train around 100 young players of the state.
Football sanabada natana akhoi angang singi thaksi khasi amade ajik nisa chadana kedodana angang mayam mang na khotan laiba mayam si akhoi sidagi kitang kanba ngamnawa na khoina angang gi suti leingai matam paikha loina pasidagi hawdoksaraga sahi ama mapung phana akhoi chatnaba manipur ge akhoi ge wakhal manaba processing punjalaga akhoi masi pak sanna hawdoknaba na pandam thamjari akhoi.
The final of the volleyball match of the state-level rural sports competition will be played tomorrow. In the girls' matches played today, Imphal East defeated Ukhrul 2-1. Imphal West defeated Chandel 2-0, while Senapati defeated Thoubal 2-0. The semi-final and final matches will be played tomorrow. 1,156 players are competing in athletics, taekwondo, volleyball, football, judo, weightlifting, archery, handball, boxing and basketball events of state-level rural sports competition organized by Department of Youth Affairs and Sports Manipur under the aegis of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Abhiyan scheme at Kumal Lampak Sports Complex. And in basketball, girls from Tamenglong and Imphal East will clash in the finals of the basketball in the state-level rural sports competition. In the first semi-final, Tamenglong defeated Bishnupur by 8-6. In the second semi-final, Imphal East defeated Churachandpur by 29-4. The match will be played tomorrow. Boxing event of the state-level rural sports competition began today. T.H. Nongdamba of Churachandpur, M. Daniel of Imphal East and L. Ronaldo of Bishnupur won their respective bout in the 46 kg boys category. O. Michael of Imphal East, L. Edition of Thogbal and T.H. Nanau of Bishnupur have also entered into the next round of the 48 kg boys category. On the other hand, L. Shantikumar of Churachampur and H. Biren of Bishnupur also defeated their respective opponents in the 52 kg boys category. The competition is organized by Department of Youth Affairs and Sports Manipur under the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Abhiyan scheme at Kumalampak Sports Complex. Now some hockey news. BDHA Bishnupur defeated SEYO Singjamai by 8-0 in a league match of the 6th Under-16 Boys and Girls State Level Hockey Tournament played this morning at Kumalampak Hockey Stadium. H. Mani scored 6 field goals, M. Shushanta scored 1 field goal and PH Shova added another goal from penalty corner for BDHA Bishnupur. In another match, HU Lairigam Lekai defeated Mairabasi Khung by 4-1. The 5th State Open Tennis Tournament kicked off today. The tournament is organized by Association of Tennis Lovers in view of the Golden Jubilee celebration of the Chingamathak Youth Learners Club. In the best of 16 men's open event played today, A. Romeo defeated Rahul Pamai by 8-6, while Jimmy outclassed Kellen by 8-4, while Aken trounced Pritham 8-1, while Derek trashed Sanatomba by 8 points to 1. 48 players are competing in the tournament held at CYLC Chingamathak Deco Turf. C.H. Jayalakshmi, who won gold medal in the Asian Bench Press Powerlifting Championship 2015 held in Oman, was felicitated yesterday by Elambam Lekai Bodybuilding Training Center of Kaisamthong Elambam Lekai at Manipur Olympic Association Conference Hall, Kumalampak. C.H. Jayalakshmi also won the Best Lifter title. With that is a wrap in this edition of Primetime English News. Before we end, a look at the headlines once again. 24th Imphal Book Fair begins tomorrow. State Central Library and other departments to buy books worth 15 lakh rupees for state book lovers. Public meeting over Manipuri cinema crisis held. Film Forum Manipur appeals to unlawful authors to withdraw monetary demand by 20th of December. And Neroka FC defeats Klasa Kaino 4-0 to enter quarterfinals of 59th Sir Churachan Singh KCSI CBE Memorial Football Tournament.